Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pluto TV app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. Come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Pluto TV app. Or just click on search. Then here at Pluto TV, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on force stop, click on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store here, click here on Play Store, click on it. So then here you search here for Pluto TV, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.